What's up? What's up? This is Rico. Don't forget to show me some love. Hit the like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Yeah. So these are the items I'll be working with today. I got my ginger, limes. You can absolutely use lemons if you have that available. Also, I got approximately 6 medium carrots, organic carrots, and I got 1/3 cups dark brown cane sugar. I got my blender because I'll be using my blender for this Jamaican style carrot juice recipe. This one is milk free, ginger and lime. Optionally, you can use lemon. So growing up in Jamaica, there are 2 particular ways in which most households would make the carrot juice. You'd have the milk-free version, which you're going to use lime, ginger, and carrots with dark brown sugar. And then you have the milk version where you're going to use condensed milk with your carrot juice. So this version today is the milk-free version, and I'll be using lime. Most people in North America or in the UK may opt for lemons. Yes, you can absolutely use lemons, but I'm trying to use all the authentic ingredients which we use when I was growing up. So dark brown cane sugar, ginger, limes, and organic carrots. Also, I just want to take this time to say there are a variety of other ingredients which you could add to your carrot juice. If you add, let's say, orange, mangoes, so you could have an orange carrot, you could have a mango carrot, you could have celery and carrots. But in my humble opinion, that's a whole different type of juice. It's not carrot juice. If you're using orange, no, it's not carrot juice, it's an orange carrot juice. All right? So I just want to put that out there. Like, if you're making carrot juice, then the only ingredients usually gonna be stuff that's gonna enhance it, like lemons or lime in this case, and ginger and sugar as sweetener. Now, if you use orange, and you can absolutely do that, I do that as well, but then it will be orange carrot. And if you use mangoes, it's mango carrot. It's not carrot juice, it's mango carrot juice. Okay, so let's proceed. I'm gonna get these washed and scraped and chopped up, and I'm just gonna put everything in the blender. So the next thing I'm gonna do right about now is to cut my carrots into smaller portions so the blender will easily manage them. So here with me is about 1 ounce of ginger. I didn't want to go overboard with the ginger, so this is pre-clean and ready. And always try your best to get organic ginger and organic carrots for this recipe. So right about now, I'm adding the ingredients to my blender. I'm starting with these carrots. I'm gonna put 1/3 cup dark brown cane sugar. I'm just making it very easy, so you don't have to mix anything when you're finished. Next, I'm gonna squeeze 1 lime. So limes are more popular in Jamaica, that's why I go with the limes, but you can absolutely use lemons, and ginger absolutely enhances the taste, and the lime enhances the taste and the color. I use 1/3 cups of sugar. You can always add more sugar if you need to, but if you put too much, there's no way of taking it out. So I start with 1/3 cups. That should be sufficient because the carrot has some sweetness to it. So let's blend. Add some ice cubes. And here you go, guys, your Jamaican styled carrot juice with lime, ginger, and dark brown cane sugar. This is milk-free version, 100% organic, as I use organic carrots and organic ginger and natural dark brown cane sugar. You can just smell the aroma. Oh my gosh. The 1/3 cups of sugar I added was just perfect. It was just spot on. Not too sweet, not too fresh, just 100% perfect. And then the ginger and the lime just brings out the taste of the carrot ever so much. Awesome, guys. It's fantastic. Try this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, as always, stay true and stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Subscribe. Yeah, man.